Welcome to my channel 8 Sanjay. Now today we are unboxing something extraordinary. Now the now the package we are unboxing is this big old thing. Now you know how much I love like kits like you can build, right? Well, you know how much I love like kits like I can build, right? Well, that's what I'm doing, but then it's a rework version. I got a smart TV kit once and it wasn't a big fail, but then it was kind of a fail. But then this thing is something that is extraordinary. You see right now, let me just. You see right now, let me just get a knife to cut this thing open. Oh my! Me ninja. And now as guys all can see, I'm opening up the package and we didn't even need a knife at all. Finally. Guys, I'm trying to reach a goal to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Like the end of the year. Like the entire end of the year. That is my main goal to reach. And if you can help me, do a pleasure by clicking that red button you can see on the ground. But like actually, let me just open this thing. Okay. You see, guys, I've never actually got a Lego set before, but this is the first time I've ever got a Lego set. And so it's a Technic Lego set. So it's going to be a little harder than expected, but then it's still good. So bye bye.